Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Well, today I will show you how to make a very simple and easy breakfast quesadilla. Ingredients are tortilla wrap, salt and pepper, 3 extra large eggs, luncheon meat, and cheddar cheese. You will be needing a mixing bowl, a turner, and a whisk. Here, I will be using my Tefal Expertise 25cm pancake pan. First, crack your 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. And then whisk together until the color becomes light yellow. Now, add a little salt and pepper. And then whisk again until well combined. By this time, you can start heating your pan. Do you see that letter T thing inside the red ring? That is the Thermo-spot feature of this Tefal Expertise. Once those tiny spots around the T is already not so visible, then that is the indication that your pan is in perfect temperature and can now be used. So there you go, you now have your breakfast quesadilla. It's super simple and very easy to make, right? So I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new recipe. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!